Hi guys, today we're racing with 3 different cars. So we're gonna race until the beanbag. Okay, you can watch, but one car goes first. If they ran out of gas, they're out of the race. See? Look at them. Can you see their legs on the bottom and their bodies? They're actually portals. They're portals. This one's flight, and that one's just a speed car. No done. So today we're gonna race. Ready, set, go. Here we go. Look at them. They're so amazing. We can't see them. Whee! They're going downstairs. We stay behind them. What? Oh no, they're broken half. That still means if they're out of the race. Okay. Bye-bye. And bye-bye. Okay, next car. Let's bid a car. Next one. You will catch a tiger toe. If you don't have a tiger toe, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Next one. Let's go. Also, if they fall off the car, but they have to do the long jump. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh no, they blinked, but they had to win. Here we go. They just fell off the car. Man, they fell off the car. Let's go downstairs and let's see what they do. Austin. Are you doing a good swim? We're throwing you out of here. Bye-bye. Oh, hi, Pop. Okay, you can see the part of the car swimming by. So we don't need this piece. But you can find this at Kroger. Fresh for everyone. This one is a cool car, but I need it for the race. Whee! Can you see any pieces? Jump on the down if you can see any more pieces. Did you jump up and down? Okay, you jumped and down.
Are you making a movie?
Yes. Okay, here's Joker. Let me throw him away. Whee! He's gone to space. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we go.
Good job, Kelly.
Okay, the last car. I think he is the last final car, so he wins. Let's see how he can play. Okay, I'm right here. Let me place you. Get out of here, spin. Okay, let me place you right there to see how fly he kicks. Let me check if you're right, because I'm checking because I'm checking you if you're in the right next to the stairs. Okay. Okay, this is hard to connect. His wheels keep falling off. Really? And he has a jet. He has a remote control. Okay, I'll tell you that later. Moving on, let's get to this race. He is so hard to control. He just fell off on me. His drone just fell off on me. Okay, I told you it's a drone because it is a drone, and the person who's driving it lost the arm, so he's driving it with the other arm. Okay, why is this keep crushing down? Tell me, why is this keep crushing down? Oh well. Okay, ready? Okay, let me put you up like this. Okay, ready, steady, fly. He's flying. Wait, I need to put this like on top of him because it's Lego. Whee, he's flying. He's flying. Whee! Oh my, what? He actually landed on the ground. My sister.
You have 1 hour and 56 minutes left on your 3-hour timer.
Okay, can you hear that? Because my sister made Jello without making a video. Gemma, don't step on that vehicle. Don't step on it. Don't step on it. Okay, let's go. No. Okay. I'm here, guys. Okay, that's my sister going to the bedroom. He landed safely on the ground. Look. Don't jump him down, okay? Okay, next room. The bedroom. Okay? He's driving. No, man, don't touch him. Okay, can you move him into the bedroom without using your hand lifting him up? Can you put him in the ground and drive, Jasmine? Okay. Because it's a motorcycle. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. Meet you there, Jasmine. Whee! It's a motorcycle, Jasmine. Just go super fast. Please! Oh, that's how I shoot with my own gun. Okay, this next room, the playroom. Come on, let's go back up to, the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Wait, he's going too fast. Okay, made it to the kitchen. Now, can you go 10 laps on the corners? Like this. Wait, what are you doing? 1, 2, 1, 2, and equals 10, okay? It broke the light itself. Okay, then put it back on. Or else you want it to float. Give me the pieces if you want it to float. Really? That's the drone, Jasmine. You broke the throne. You don't need it. Just give me the pieces that's broken. Hey, I said give me the pieces that's broken. Jasmine, no, don't put it there. I said give me the pieces that's broken. Except for the body. That's the body. Where? There it is. Give me, not like that. Okay. Jasmine, hold it on to me. Okay, point at me. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video today. Make sure you like and subscribe.